naked skin, and that I have moisturized with vitamin E oil. I'm going to start on by putting on my cover up because I'm a older lady. I'm going to make this face look a little natural and young tonight. Like that. Now that that's set in, I'm going to just put some white shadow over it. And use my MAC stick. Just blend all that in. I'm starting the contouring process with my foundation. And it's really hot tonight in Texas, so it's going to be easy looking this way. To contour my bigger, puffier chin, I'm going to use some dark powder. Put it all on my chin, a little tip on my nose, and a little bit of my forehead to soften up that hairline. Then I'm going to use the translucent powder from RCMA and just start covering everywhere. Start blending with a big fluff brush. Then I'll start putting some cheekbone on. Because I'm older, I like to bring them up higher instead of following my natural cheekbone. Blending and blending and blending some more. So remember, I still have some tape on. And now that most of it's done, it's time to pull the magical tape off. The reason I use Transport surgical tape is because it comes off real easily. You can do makeup over it, and then of course you already have your arch and you're done. Just like that and that. And then you just start blending it in. Then I'm going to blend my own hair into the wig hair by teasing it back and sewing it together basically. And then when I pull some bang down, it'll work out. And now I'm about ready to go out. No earrings or anything like that yet, but I'm on my way.